Hi, my name is Abby, and I am learning how to sew. I'm just beginning my sewing journey, so I hope you'll join me and we can learn and create together. I've always been interested in all types of crafts ever since I was a little kid. I've done knitting, I've learned how to spin and dye yarn, I've worked with beads and jewelry, and now that I'm here working at a fabric company, I found it was a really great opportunity to learn how to sew and acquire a new skill. I don't really have a whole lot of sewing experience. My grandmother taught us how to hand stitch by sewing our buttons back on our Barbie clothes and mending shirts and whatnot. One thing I'd really like to do through taking my classes is learn how to create my own bag patterns. I'd like to be able to use all different types of fabric and make all different types of bags for different purposes. Also learn how to make clothing patterns at some point. I think that would be really interesting too. One fabric that I've come to enjoy working with is colored canvas. It's a very easy fabric to cut. It's very easy to sew with. I'm actually going to be using that for my first project coming soon. I have a lot to learn and a lot to accomplish. So follow me on this journey and let's see what happens. Should be fun.